back to my original drawings and I'm in the layout space, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to bring this file, but this time instead of using it as a block, I want to import it as a reference. So basically it's going to be referenced to the original file. What does that mean? That means that whatever change I do on the original file, that's going to be AutoCAD will be notifying me that there is a change in that, so I can update that. And I can basically within this file I can update that file as well. But basically the difference between the block is that the block, whatever I change here, there's nothing happened to the original file, or if something happened in the original file, if I change something, there's not going to be any reflection on this file. So let's try to do import the title block as a reference file. So here is in the third tab, what I have is that I have the attach. So I'm going to go and reference, and I'm going to attach the title block that I create. So I'm going to go on the title block, and I'm going to select that. And right after that, this basically show itself attach external reference, and it's the name of the file. And basically, as you can see, I can scale it. I can use a different placement for my X and Y and Z. I can rotate it, and I can change the unit. So I'm going to leave everything as it is, and I'm going to press OK. So what happened is that it just automatically bring that file and then place it in the 0, 0, which is the corner of this, like a border of my like a paper. And it's not actually the actual size of the paper, but the place that we can basically print. And as you can see, that's a little small, and then we're gonna fix that, and we see that how that's gonna affect the drawing that I'm working on. So if I go to the home tab and I open up the layer, as you can see, this is basically a little different than the previous one. So when we bring the layers, when we bring the block, basically those layers become part of this file. But now you see that everything is kind of associated with the reference file that we are bringing. So this one is going to be title blocks, and then the border title blocks, and then this is going to be a text. So basically everything associated with the original file that I have.